Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Loop versus Notion. We'll explore their core functionalities, key differences, and help you decide which platform best suits your needs. Loop, from Microsoft, focuses on real-time collaboration and dynamic content within the Microsoft 365 suite. Notion, on the other hand, provides a highly customizable workspace for everything from personal notes to complex project management. Let's dive into what makes each unique. Microsoft Loop truly shines in its collaborative capabilities. Imagine creating a dynamic table or a task list in Loop, then seamlessly embedding it into a Teams chat, an Outlook email, or a Word document. Everyone can edit it in real time, seeing changes instantly. This component-based approach fosters incredibly fluid teamwork, making it perfect for quick brainstorming, shared note-taking, and keeping projects moving forward within your existing Microsoft 365 environment. Notion stands out for its incredible versatility and customization. It's not just a note-taking app, it's a blank canvas where you can build almost anything. From simple to-do lists to intricate project management systems with multiple linked databases, Notion adapts to your exact needs. You can create a personal knowledge base, a company wiki, or a content calendar, all within one unified workspace. Its power lies in its ability to be shaped precisely to your workflow. So, which one is better for you? If your team lives and breathes Microsoft 365 and real-time, in-app collaboration is paramount, Loop is likely your champion. However, if you crave deep customization, need an all-in-one solution for diverse tasks, and want to build highly structured workspaces from the ground up, Notion will probably be your preferred choice. Ultimately, the best tool aligns with your specific workflow and integration requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.